Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us see the plan of action on Nifty, Bank Nifty and some stocks to trade on 26th of July to generate some intraday profit. If there is any change in my levels or any nice setup or pattern forms in the live market, I will update in my Telegram channel. The link is given in my description, so join using that link. Now first let us see the plan of action on Nifty index, that is Nifty and the Bank Nifty, and then we will discuss in detail on some stocks for intraday. So this is the price action on Nifty. If you see Nifty here, you can see it respecting this trend line. Because for the past 3 days it respecting this trend line, and yesterday it made a small breakout, but again it made some correction, then it is below this trend line. So for the past 3 days it is respecting. Now it is trading below this with a positive note. And here you can see it formed a type of inverse head and shoulder pattern also. You can see it formed here. This will be your left shoulder. This will be your head. This one it's trying to make today. Suppose if this made a right shoulder and breaks this level, then you can go for a buy. So if market opens flat, sustains in this resistance level, and then if it made a breakout, you can go for a buy. So stop loss will be some 19,660 level, and target will be 40 points and 50 points. These are the two target in Bank Nifty. So the main point is we have to see the breaking of 710 to 715 levels. So once if it breaks, you can go for a buy, keeping 60 as a stop loss for target 40 and 50. This is the first scenario for Nifty. If opens flat and if it trades near this resistance level. Suppose let us assume that if Nifty opens a gap up near this level, that is 750 level or something like this, you have to wait till it comes near this level or this trend line. So here you should see what type of pattern is forming here. Any positive pattern, any positive candle forms in the higher time frame, or positive pattern formed in the lower time frame. So based on that, you can go for a buy. Once if it forms in a good nice pattern here, like double bottom breakout or head and shoulder neck breakout, then you can go for a buy. So keeping same sum 1660 as a stop loss, target will be 40 and 50 points. This will be a second scenario. And the third one is, suppose Nifty opens gap down near this level. Here you have to see the direction of the Nifty. Once if it trades here, once if it trades in this level and positive candle, you can buy. Suppose negative candle, you can go for a sell. So again Nifty has the possibility of making more lows. So already you can see Nifty making lower lows for the past 3 days. And again if this breaks, you can expect one more low in Nifty. So the initial target will be 19,563, 560 level, and the ultimate target would be 19,500 level. If Nifty opens gap down and forms any negative candle or negative pattern, then you can go for a sell. So I hope you understood Nifty. Now let us see the plan of action for Bank Nifty. So this is the price action for Bank Nifty. So if you see Bank Nifty also, it is respecting this trend line for the past 3 to 4 days. For the past 3 days, it is respecting. And yesterday, after a sharp fall, and then recovered in the afternoon session, again it is trading below this level. So here also you can see Nifty, Bank Nifty formed a type of inverse head and shoulder pattern, but it is not formed, it is trying to form. So once if it forms, then you can go for a buy. Suppose let us assume that Nifty opens flat, and if this breaks this resistance level and this trend line, upper trend line, and here you should see what type of pattern is forming. So breaking of this, you can go for a buy. So buy above 45, 941, 950 level. So this has to break. This upper trend line has to break. Once after breaking this and sustains there, then you can go for a buy, because here you have a small minor resistance level also. So that will be your area of confluence. So this is the first scenario. If Bank Nifty opens flat and comes near this resistance level and breaks this trend line, you can go for a buy. Stop loss will be some 80 points downside, and target will be 125 and 150 points, the upper side. Second scenario, suppose Bank Nifty opens gap up near this level, you wait till it tests the yesterday's closing or this support level. Again, any positive candle or positive pattern in the lower time frame, then based on that you can go for a buy. So suppose in lower time frame, if it forms double bottom or inverse head and shoulder neckline breaks, you can go for a buy. Stop loss will be same, 125 points and 150 points. Stop loss will be 80. Target will be 125 and 150 points. So this is the second scenario. And the third is, suppose Bank Nifty opens flat and comes and trades this support level. And here any nice pattern, that is positive pattern forms, you go for a buy. Suppose negative pattern forms, you can go for a sell, just keeping some 80 points higher side, and target will be, ultimate target will be some 45, 300 levels. 330 to 350 levels, that will be your ultimate target, and the initial target will be some 430 levels, 450 levels. This will be your first target. Once Nifty breaks or makes any negative pattern, this will be your first target. I hope you understood Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let us see some of the stocks to trade tomorrow. The first stock is Jindal Saw. Here you can see Jindal Saw, it respects this trend line, and many times it's trying to break, but just only the wick has touched this trend line. So in today's market, suppose if it breaks this trend line as well as this minor support, horizontal support level, you can go for a sell. So sell below 358, stop loss is 364, target is 354 and 348. So keep this stock in your watch list. And the next stock is Max India. So Max India, you just keep the stock also in your watch list. I'll tell you the reason for that. Let me take in higher time frame. You see Max India here, it from here it rallied and then it consolidates in this level. So it is a bullish flagpole pattern is formed here. So after breaking this pattern, some 10 to 15 points already it made. Now again you can see another bullish. So this was the structure in Max India. You can see again the same type. From here again it's forming, and again it's trying to make some bullish pattern, bullish flagpole pattern. So that's why once if it breaks this level, you can go for a buy. So you have to keep this stock in your watch list. So buy above 162 just for today. If it breaks 162 level, you can go for a buy. Stop loss 155, target 170 and 178. Suppose if today if this didn't break, you just keep this in your watch list and see tomorrow what happens. Once if this trend line breaks, you go for a buy. So it is consolidating again after a sharp rally. Again it consolidates, breaking, you can go for a buy. So this is the Max India. The next stock is Everest Industries. Here you can see it formed a type of wedge pattern, and it broken this pattern, and yesterday it made a high around some 901 902 levels. So once today if it comes for a retest, you can go for a buy. So 877 and 880 is the best level for a buy. Stop loss 860, target 895 and 927. This is for Everest Industries. And the next stock is Axis Bank. Yeah, Axis Bank, you can see after a sharp fall, it made a double bottom breakout yesterday. So buy above 862 level, stop loss 962 level, stop loss 955, target 967 and 973. So this is the strong support for IC Axis Bank, and previously it was a resistance level, and it is broken yesterday, and this you have to consider as a support for today. So watch the stock how it performs. The next stock is Goa Carbon. So this stock you can see it formed a type of symmetric triangle. So it broke yesterday. Again it made a retest. So again it broken once again. So today if it comes for a retest, you can go for a buy. So buy range is 541 to 544 levels. Stop loss 535, target will be 554 and 563. So keep these stocks in your watch list and do the trading. Once if it breaks out and if it breaks down, you go for a sell. I hope you like this content. If you want to encourage or motivate me, just hit the like button, give a thumbs up to this video, share this video with your family friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.